So this is just a simple video on how to make a line level preamp. If you have a guitar or a microphone and the level is not enough to run into a stereo or an amplifier, this quick little circuit can solve the problem for you. So hope you enjoy the video. So I built a guitar amp and its performance was pretty bad because I used a stereo tube preamplifier. So what I've done here is hooked up a guitar straight to a meter to see what kind of output I actually have. And you can see if I strike a string, I get an average of about 50 millivolts AC. And this is with my volume all the way up. So with the cord, I can get 200 to 300, but with a single node I can get roughly around an average of about 50 or 60. So what that means is my preamp that I used needs a preamp to be a guitar amplifier. Okay, so here's the circuit of our preamp. Come in from the input jack across a 10 microfarad capacitor. Got our 1 mega ohm input impedance. Goes to an MPF102 Jfet. You got 1.5K on the drain coming down through, 270 ohm on the source. The output then goes across a 0.1 microfarad cap. And we're using this 217K resistor for a load for this circuit and an input impedance to this circuit. So then it goes to the second MP102. You got a 1.5K and a 270K down here, so it's virtually the same as this circuit. Comes out across a 10 microfarad cap, and our output is derived across this 500K resistor. Now you could, if you were making a mic preamp or some other type of preamp of low volume, you could put an optional 500K pot here and adjust the output to where you needed it to be. And so here's the real interesting thing about Jfets as being close to tubes. If we overdrive the voltage on the Jfet, we can see the bottom starting to clip, but it's not really clipping. You see how it makes a nice round edge, and even the top. It's not real harsh when it starts, but it's round. So a Jfet is really close to the way a tube clips. So here's the preamp that we built, and you can see on the meter, we've set it at about 50 millivolts AC. And we look up on the scope, and we've got about 360 millivolts of power out, which is equivalent to line level out. They say line level out is like 0.3 something to 1 volt, somewhere in that particular area. But this is going to work for us.